Do you know where I can find 3D for my flashlight?
I think...
This is aisle 30.
Fifth.
Stop guessing.
3. Sir, I'll find you.
Batteries?
You'd pass this.
As a stylist, you must bad haircut, even get them beat up.
Miss Kranzer, my new.
I haven't received your tuition check. Come.
I'd mail the check.
If I don't pay my tuition, I can't go to the store anymore.
How much was it again? All I have is $400. Trap, I have, you know.
Yay.
Okay, Hank, try turning it back on now.
Oh!
Dad, can I come back in now?
Not yet, son. Stay in the kitchen. Okay, Bobby, you can come back in.
Your garter horny with megalomulch, an easy-to-lift 50-pound bag.
Propane at Megalomart? Propane at Megalomart? Propane at Megalomart? Oh! Propane?
Megalomulch.
Propane?
Megalomulch.
Propane? You bastards! Megalomart selling propane. They're in for the fight of their lives. Tell them, Buck.
Well, it's too late. I've decided to shut down this branch of Strickland Propane.
Yes, we have a plan. Good work, Buck. Hi, welcome to Spain. Service with a... hug. Ugh. Now, what can we do?
I was just wondering, do you honor Megalomart coupons?
Propane at Megalomart?
Well, how many pennies?
I don't know whether to laugh or vomit.
How many?
You bastard! Sure, son. The Wagner Char King does cost a little less at Strickland, 135 Los Gatos Road. Spatula.
Sir? Propane department. Volubilis.
Well, Buckley, I have a complaint.
Hey.
I don't know. Thank you for continuing to buy your propane from Megalomart. You're about Dale. Five. I gotta come up with some kind of battle plan.
Uncle Hank, Aunt Paige, can I come in?
No.
Yes. No, I'd want to ask you for money.
That's a good instinct, Luann. Yep. Good night.
Sometimes you just gotta cut off a finger.
Fire off.
You can have 5 minutes at the office supply cabinet.
Make a shirt, honey.
Take your batteries back. I don't want them. You can have them. Bastards.
Dad?
Throw it out.
Well, folks, there is no chance in hell we are going to lose this house.
You what?
I planned for the worst.
Drop the gun, Monsignor Martinez. Graciela!
Why's the Pope holding that gun?
That is not the Pope. It's Monsignor Martinez.
Wanted. Poor, hard-working man to replace one who weren't. Stop looking, you found him. Stop looking, you found him.
You'll notice that the door on your left is open. And if you're not interested in making money, I want you to walk right out that door.
Uncle Hank, what?
You'll notice that the door on your left is open, because this is for you.
Can I just ask, what exactly are we selling?
You!
What's the you?
Thermal unit?
Yeah.
That's a neat idea, Luann.
I can too. Huh. Buckley said he'd hire me at the Megalomart.
Propane at Megalomart?
Good thing that I don't have dangerous brain powers.
We're doing fine, thanks.
You got yourself a man.
Propane is ABC.
For God's sakes, it's
ABC.
I could have gotten that.
You would have gotten that.
Uncle Hank!
I can't do this. I'm just an assistant account manager.
How could such a good cop become such a bad priest?
Well, I threw out Velma Throckmorton's will.
I don't know how to iron, and I don't want to learn.
Hank, we're all taking on extra situation.
Come on, Luann. No job. Irma, unit. Bacon, bacon.
Hey, you don't have to take turns now.
Sus. I guess you going to work.
Because I took your car keys. And I took your car keys.
So,
15 assist was rope restricted man pain for years.
here's your tag. You gotta wear this at all times.
Hey.
This is Ron.
Hello, I'm Mr. Hill. Experience pain. Here's rope.
Wow, that's... Hey, you know what? Chicken thigh. that mean
No, what?
chicken butt. Yeah,
Okay,
but chicken thigh. That
okay. Man, Chuck is giving up their next concert week.
But what?
butt thigh.
What?
Butt
Uh,
thigh.
Never mind.
Thigh.
Dad, I thought you hated Megalomart.
That's right.
But you're working there.
I do indeed.
Are you still married to Megalomart?
Bobby, of course not.
Mm-hmm. It's true, Bobby, he is. You know, Hank, you get to wear that smart little uniform. It's like a get-out-of-jail-free card.
Well, now I feel great, Peggy. Thanks very much. Hey, Luann. I took that job you wanted. Leia.
Sorry, Axel.
Can you find out if Stephanie looks wrong?
I think I'll go try and find the place.
I think that old guy.
Hello. The only place you can find a gun these days is in Disneyland.
Hey, you know a fella by the name of Ray?
Sure. To go shop bait to his all the time.
Bare area sitting. Felt kind of, but
See, that's the kind of thing you can do when you own your own store. Here, it's just one humiliation after another.
Break it up. Work up. And you, where's your tag?
where?
I'm not gonna take this.
Oh, I guess are you? So just arrest you then.
Buckley, what the? You want to put stress on the valve.
Hey, where were you? You're supposed to. Or did you forget that too? You know how it is.
So what do you think?
I know, Hank. You're talking about an act rebellion. Of revolt.
Dang right I am. They say America loves propane at Megalomart, and if we speak up, everyone will think it's true. We've got to put an end to the whole world. If you want out, get out now. We will be disrupting the world with bombs.
Why?
Because Megalomart has them for $3.
Oh. Tea party.
Uncle Hank,
Yes?
I would like you to know that I'm flushing at Peggy's keys.
I was the better candidate.
Can you give me a ride to the Megalomart in the morning? I'm going to break up with Buckley.
Your boyfriend.
Megalomart.
Why don't you get us a Peggy? I've got a little Peggy to take care of.
I saw your
Little Peggy.
and I put two and two together. After 15 years of marriage, I know an affair when I see one.
I'm giving you all one each.
I'm breaking up with you.
Chicken.
But
That's it. I'm gonna blow it up.
Hey, man, it's 911. I need to hear the Megalo Mark.
Please, someone help me! My head is in there.
I got two. I'm not a chick, I'm a dude.
Oh, thank God you're okay. Oh, my Lord.
I feel so good.
What about Buckley? Is he dead? I really hope he's dead.
I'm sorry, sir, but so far it appears that there were no other survivors.
What's taking them so long? When do I get to see Dad?
Your dad got blown up.
Bobby, that is a mint.
Yellow, Peggy here.
Hi!
Busy.
Can he call you back? Hank, it's Mr. Strickland.
Busy.
What?
I am host.
I know the man who set up this whole horrific event.
You needn't concern yourself.
That's what they want you to think.
We are they.
Hank! Honey, how are the steaks coming?
Still tenderizing.
You have been pounding the beef since noon.
I did blow up the Megalomart.
Something's not right. Week's salary says that box is empty. I'm going in.
This is depressing. You want to go play in the cemetery? Okay.
Is there anyone else who'd like to say a few words?
I just know how little winter can get so bloody in a spirit. Babby, are you in the bath yet?
There's no water.
No.
What's this?
It's Velma Throckmorton's will. This is the way that rational people deal with death, Hank. It is also my hobby.
Good Lord. Y'all ever think...
Well, yeah.
I am going to die. Pickle.
Hey, Hank, let me give you a piece of advice. Relax and...
Have you thought about who'll take care of Peggy when you're gone? Because I'd like to throw my hat in the ring. I'd take him to baseball games, and me and Bobby could sit up in bed at night.
I'll take the Widow Hill. The boy is on her own.
Man, I tell you what, Hank. You know... Well...
Hank! Hank, I can't find Connie. Bobby says he really is already on the time.
Bobby!
Here's Ladybird. You get a fruit pie.
Come on. Smell the pie, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right, she's locked on Bobby. Come on, girl, let's go.
Hurry, Hank. Oh, I hope he finds Connie before dark.
Wow.
What you want, man? I cry river of tear for Buckley. Why you?
So I'm not crying for Buckley. Big deal. He doesn't deserve it. Buckley. Big deal. He doesn't deserve it.
Dad, how'd you find me? Dad.
Well, I'll let your bird sniff me.
Oh.
Yeah. So, because explosion. Been the way Upton's accent, so I cheer up the guest here.
Well, and I was afraid you were dead until you were talking to friends about getting your dying.
Oh, son, you shouldn't be worrying about that stuff. A boy your age ought to worry about getting dates and making a team and, getting dates and making a team. My dying should be at the bottom of the list. You need to relax. Huh. Hey, did I ever tell you the story? There was this man.
I got an even better joke for you.
Well, there was this man, and he was being...
I got an even better joke.
Too bad. There was this tiger lion, and he was being chased by a ferocious man. A Detroit lion. 2 of them. And the tiger lion was Cowboy Hall of Famer Robert Stotts.
I know him.
Hunk.
Very funny.
Hey, you got a light?
That's a real good one for the 15th time.
Hell, honey. Yes, but on nibs now.
That's a real good one for the 15th time.
Thanks for blowing up the Megalomart.
Thigh, butt, chicken, chicken, thigh.